लेकिन ये सब जानना चाहते हैं क्या ममता बनर्जी 2024 में एक तरह से नरेंद्र मोदी जी को टक्कर देना चाहती है या नहीं?
बंगाल का आदमी ने बता दिया कि हिंदुस्तान में अभी नरेंद्र मोदी की से जाना है और नया कुछ आना है कि अभी जो चल रहा है ठीक से नहीं चल रहा है। आज अगर कोविड हमारा देश में इतना नहीं होता, अगर ठीक टाइम में हम ठीक से काम करते, 6 महीना हम नेग्लेक्ट कर दिया और कितना आदमी का जान चला गया। आज देखो दिल्ली रो पड़ रहा है, आज मुंबई रो पड़ रहा है, आज बहुत सारे स्टेट रो पड़ रहा है। हमारा स्टेट में भी 5 लाख बाहर से आदमी लेकर और सीएपीएफ फोर्स 5 लाख से हमें बंगाल में गांव-गांव में जाके पूरा कोविड स्प्रेड कर दिया। और लोगों को कोई आरटीपीसीआर नहीं होता है, लेकिन हमारा काउंटिंग एजेंट को आरटीपीसीआर करने पड़ता है। ये क्यों डिस्क्रिमिनेशन? ये तो इलेक्शन कमीशन ने किया जानबूझ के।
आप लगता है इलेक्शन कमीशन के बहुत गुस्सा है आपका इलेक्शन कमीशन की तरफ?
हम चाहते हैं इलेक्टोरल रिफॉर्म्स, हमारा कोई गुस्सा नहीं है। आई रेस्पेक्ट द चेयर, इलेक्शन कमीशन, आई रेस्पेक्ट एवरी चेयर, but only my submission will be that we want, there is a need of the hour for the electoral reforms, and for that reason we have to go to Supreme Court bench and we have to set up a constitution bench. We have to appeal the Supreme Court. Please set up a constitution bench so that 3 nominated persons, they cannot be dictated by the central government whatever they want. And in Bengal also you will be surprised to know, to retired police officers, they have conducted the election and they change each and everybody. Even my DG is also changed.
What was the hardest part of this fight? Right. What was the hardest part of this fight? You have fought a very long battle. What was the biggest? सबसे बड़ी चुनौती क्या? What was your biggest fight? What was the most difficult thing?
I addressed 51 days rally along with my leg choke, and I must tell my IT team and my young generation, they worked very hard. They worked very lovably, and the women voters, they gave me the inspiration totally. And also these 2 slogans, Khela Hobe and these 2, Joy Bangla, it gave me the inspiration for this battle.
ये महिला वोटर आपके साथ इतना लगाव है, हर चुनाव में महिला वोटर आपको वोट देती है, ये महिलाओं के साथ लगाव क्या है कि ममता बनर्जी को हर चुनाव में महिलाओं का बड़ा अच्छा वोट मिलता है?
गौरव का है ना, जो घर में काम करता है वो बाहर में सबसे अच्छा काम कर सकता है। इसी के लिए महिला, we are proud of our women voters and they gave us the vote. Even the new generation, the young generation, they all voted for us. Otherwise also to vote, get this 50% more than vote share is 50%.
Did you कभी आपको लगा कि अब इस बार तो did you ever lose hope? कभी आपने आशा छोड़ दी थी कि बहुत मुश्किल होगा, कैसे जीतेंगे? पूरी बीजेपी की फौज थी, कभी ऐसा कभी डर था?
मैंने कभी आशा नहीं छोड़ा था कि जब भी कोई मेरे को बात किया, I am from the grassroots level, you know, I can see the eyes of the people, I know the voting patterns and all this. So it was my totally absolute, I was confident that we will cross the double century. And this time we have got maximum.
तो कभी कोई अब आपकी Yes, this time you've got back, that's what I'm saying. You've got maximum seats. So will you make any changes in your style? Will you change the way you do your politics? Because there were allegations against your party, corruption, cut money.
I told you that I cannot change myself because I am a commoner and I am a street fighter. I want to continue that.
But Didi, not too many commoners have won 3 elections in a row. 3 elections is a huge achievement, each time with a bigger majority. So clearly you have got to connect with the people of Bengal, as you said. I just want to understand though, that for Mamta Banerjee, in politics, you've had a very long struggle. Was it more difficult defeating the left or defeating Modi Shah?
No, left, they have some ideology, Congress, they have some ideology. But Modi Shah, this ideology, this syndicate ideology is something different. They are too much. They are too much. You cannot trust them. They cannot do anything and everything. They can do anything and everything, even with smile face. That is the problem. And they can do the danga, they can do the polarization, they can do the finish the people, they can do anything and everything. I'm really, it's a sad affair for me to say anything about any particular person. I have a respect for the chair, so I respect the chair, and I have no blame for anyone.
आपको कोई डर नहीं लगता दीदी? आप ये पूरे कैंपेन में आपको कभी डर नहीं लगा कहीं ना कहीं कि मैं हार जाऊंगी? कोई डर नहीं था?
हम लड़ते हैं, हम मरते नहीं है। हम लड़ते हैं, हम डरते नहीं है। हमारा स्लोगन यही है कि हम करेंगे, हम लड़ेंगे, हम जिताएंगे, हम दिखाएंगे और बीजेपी को हटाएंगे. दैट वी हैव डन.
आप आप कैंपेन में व्हीलचेयर पे थी और आपको जब इंजरी हुई थी, आज इतने दिनों के बाद आप इतने दिनों के बाद आप चल रही है. Are you now back to work tomorrow morning, Mamata Banerjee? And when will you be sworn in?
No. मेरे को प्लास्टर काटा था before 5 days ago, 5-6 days ago. So there I was totally rest. I was totally bed rest for my leg choke, and now I am wearing this anklet and all this, and very small. So it will take some time for.
Who has inspired दीदी who is your inspiration? कोई रोल मॉडल इंस्पिरेशन इतनी जो आपको इस चुनाव में ताकत मिली है? Anybody else you see a street fighter like you जो आप
Bengal soil.
तो ये जय बांग्ला का जो स्लोगन आपका है, क्या वहीं से आपको शक्ति मिलती है?
देखिए, जय बांग्ला मीन्स हम बांग्ला को ग्लोरीफाई कर रहे हैं.
I want an honest answer. Did you expect such a landslide? This is even bigger than 2016.
Yes, it is. My target was 2-1. My target was, because this is 21 symbolically. So I think these 2 seats, there will be election on 16, and 1 seat the by-election will be there. So ultimately 2-1 will pass. And election commission, how they are behaving this time, horrible. And central government along with all the agencies, they work very vindictively against of us. I congratulate the people of West Bengal and the country people who are watching all this. How we fought the battle. Only we are the street fighter. And that's why we were able to fight this battle. Nobody can fight this battle, I'm telling you. This is a victory of the people. And Bengal saved the country. I must say Bengal saved the country. And Bengal saved the disaster. The COVID disaster is going on. And because of the COVID disaster, we have already taken a decision that we are not doing any victory rally or anything. But let the COVID process is over. Then a good time we will do the victory rally, not now.
Would you call this, though, Didi, your biggest victory? You won in 2011, you won in 2016, now you won in 2021. Is this for you the biggest victory of your political career? Because you said everybody was against you in this election. It was Mamata versus all.
That is true. And that's why I think that 2011, there was a political reason to change it, and we have did seat adjustment with Congress. And 16 also we contested alone. That time also everybody was saying that Jyoti is coming. We said no, it is not true. Even this time also I said that it is the women voters, the others, they voted for us like anything. I am so grateful to them. And this is a 21 or new challenge, and this will give a challenge to central government for 24 election. This is a turning point.
You know, this has been a very bitter campaign. A lot of the language used, very, very strong words were used. Do you have any, do you want to build bridges with the BJP, with Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, given the kind of campaign that was run? Do you believe it will be possible for you and the centre to work together, for example, in the fight against COVID?
Question doesn't arise politically. Number 2, for COVID, we want everybody should work together to help the COVID persons. And they should give all the vaccination, and they should supply all the oxygen to the people, because I came to know that there are some states, they are sending it to only BJP state, but they are not sending the opposition state. This is not done. I think that COVID is my priority, and I have no quarrel with any Prime Minister or Home Minister. I have a respect to their chair, and I do respect that. But politically, I cannot compromise.
আজ তাক বাংলা, জানুন সব খবর সবার আগে। সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আজ তাক বাংলা, বেল আইকন প্রেস করতে ভুলবেন না।